Game tip. Whether or not you believe it to be true, operate under the premise that there is a God that is comprised of all of us and all of it. We are all made up of particles of God, and God is made up of particles of us. As within, so without, as above, so below. We are made in the image of God. Particles made up of particles, made up of particles. Therefore, we carry God within us. So, when we talk to ourselves, we're talking to God. Remember that. And talk to yourself like you're talking to God. As if you would talk to God. How would you talk to God if you could talk to God? And everything that you see, everything that's in your sphere, is also made up of particles, of all those God particles. Everything, particles made up of particles, made up of particles, made up of particles. And all together we create the whole hearticle, the whole hearticle. We are all a part of the art, a part of the art of the heart of the heart. And I thank you for playing along and learning to sing your part of the song. Tiff, yes, we listen. Tiff, yes, we listen. Oh, shit. Daisy. Oh. Thank you for your service, sharing selves. We lift, Laud, love you so much.